Speaker. Mr. Speaker, today we're having a vigorous debate about President Obama's health care bill. And the reason why we're doing this is that there have been 7 or 8 different provisions already that have been repealed from this bill in the last 2 years because either it was fraud, it was onerous, or it would not work. The reason why we are on the floor today is not to waste time, but to give the American people, through representative government, an opportunity to say, we now know more about that bill that was not read. And here's what we know. We know that it is a $1 trillion plus spending bill. $1 trillion that would have been in Americans' pockets to make their own decisions about their health care. But now it is flowing to the federal government, and what it is doing is arbitrarily causing our country, and this is based upon the laws that are already in place in this country of what will happen to the debt of our country. President Obama and Democrats have led us to trillion-dollar deficits every single year the president has been in office. And this is just the beginning. And at some point, our country will cease to become what it is, a great nation, because we will join the likes of Eastern Europe. And it is directly because of tax increases and ObamaCare, which limits the size of small business and businesses that want to get under this threshold of 50 employees. And so it arbitrarily will diminish the dreams of Americans who want to build their business from a small business to a larger business simply to avoid the IRS, who will be in their business about health care. So the Rules Committee is rightfully so bringing this bill to the floor another time so that the American people who are saying, not only publicly in polls, but through their representatives, this is not a pathway we want to keep going on. We have to stop the bankruptcy of American business. We need to go back where we have a economy, where college graduates at least stand a chance to be able to have a job and to move our country forward. I thank the gentleman from Texas for the time. I yield back.